7 smoothies, 7 days, 0 repeats. If you want better skin, more energy, and to stop guessing what to blend every morning, this is your whole week sorted. Let's go straight into day 1, Monday. Monday we are starting strong. 51 grams of protein in one blend. It goes frozen mango, strawberries, blueberries, 4 mandarins, a banana, 2 scoops of protein, lime, chia seeds for that omega-3 hit, coconut water, and water to loosen it up. Blend it down. This one's about 225 calories a serving with 51 grams of protein total. Mandarins and blueberries are doing the antioxidant work here. Proteins handling recovery and skin structure. That's Monday. Day 2, Tuesday. Tuesday, the lightest one of the week. Papaya, mango, pineapple, and lime, chia seeds, 2 scoops of collagen peptide, coconut water, a teaspoon of blue spirulina for that color. Papaya and pineapple bring digestive enzymes and bromelain, so this one's your gut reset day. Only about 130 calories a serving. That blue is 100% spirulina, no dye. Day 3, Wednesday. On Wednesday, we go heavier. Blueberry, 2 cups of strawberries, 2 cups of cherries, vanilla protein, collagen peptide, a scoop of creatine, coconut water, raw almonds, and a splash of lime. This is your recovery day blend. 55 grams of protein total. Cherries and berries for anthocyanins, creatine for performance and cellular energy. About 214 calories a serving. Day 4, Thursday's the creamiest one. Banana, strawberry, 2 cups of blueberries, half an avocado, raw cashews, lime, collagen peptide, protein powder, creatine, coconut water. Avocado and cashews bring healthy fats for skin hydration. This time instead of almonds. Still 55 grams of protein, still under 250 calories a serving. Day 5, Friday. Friday's a vitamin C bomb. Half a banana, 2 cups of mango, 4 mandarins, 2 cups of strawberries, vanilla protein, collagen peptide, raw almonds, coconut water. Mango, mandarins, and strawberries together are staking vitamin C, which your body needs to actually produce collagen, not just consume it. This is the one I'd point to if glow is your only goal. Day 6, Saturday. Saturday back to tropical. 2 cups of pineapple, blueberries, cherries, raw almonds, lime, collagen, protein powder, coconut water, bromelain from the pineapple again for digestion, polyphenols from the cherries for recovery. This is your weekend reset before Sunday. Day 7, Sunday. And Sunday, the purple one, banana, lime, strawberry, wild blueberries, cherries, blue spirulina, cashews, chia, collagen, protein, coconut water. Everything goes in one blend and done. This one's basically the whole week's antioxidants in a single glass to close it out. That's your whole week. 7 smoothies, all under 250 calories, all built around protein, collagen, or both. Full recipes and exact measurements are down below. If you made one of those, drop which day was your favorite. See you in the next one.